Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. Of course, you know we're here at the new Petcom gas station right here on Constant Spring Road. The cheapest and the best service. And inside is a supermarket. Now, remember, it's entertainment and lifestyle for half an hour. And we'll go all over the Caribbean. So right now, I'm your host, Cruddy, and you're watching the hypest show on TV worldwide. It's all about Pree Dis. Keep it locked. This week we kick off the show with an interview from the video director of the year, Robshan from RD Studios. Now Robshan worked with everybody in a dance hall, from Conscience to Taurus Riley. But what? We caught up with Robshan at my one-time friend Octane video shoot. Now big up Octane, you're my one-time friend, but right now it's all about Robshan, RD Studio. Yo my brother, talk to them, make them know why you're so bad.
Robshan, had that name for like a couple of years straight out of high school. Been in the music thing for a couple of years now. We used to write a couple of songs and things. And we used to go by a name where it was kind of more comical, but based on the type of songs we would write, like one day, I think it was either Baby Sham or Bounty Killer, one day in the studio just say, yo, the name is too soft, and that's how Robshan came up and we just run with it from. Yeah, we're ghostwriting songs, so a couple of them even went on the charts and them thing there. After doing the whole music thing, you don't know, it's not everybody not everybody can just get a bus like that. So, you know, I went seeking a 9 to 5, and it just so happened that that was advertising agency called Dunlop Corbin, and we're just there as an assistant, pretty much, you know what I mean? But being around the graphic artists and thing, you kind of learned how to do one and two things, and kind of self-taught in the whole graphic field, and then that just developed into videos. Real name, Russian Walker. Grew up in Kingston 10, you know what I mean? Calabar, past student, you know, from Calabar to UA, to video production school, MTI, UA School of Continuing Studies. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
If it wasn't videos, what would you be doing professionally right now?
I think I would still be in music, honestly. You know what I mean? Because we used to move a lot with Chimney Records and Equinox, and you know, we used to write songs, we used to DJ, we used to produce, you know, make beats here and there.
What other passion you have?
Football. I used to play football a lot. You know, it was actually good. So at one point I thought that would have been a career choice. You know what I mean? So, you know, music, football, production, arts.
Would you say you're from a well-to-do family, you're from a rich background?
No. I'd say middle class. You know what I mean? Single parent for most of the years. You know what I mean? Big up my mother. Not rich, not at all. Definitely not.
How does Mama feel about going into this direction?
She talk about me every day, you know. You know what I mean? Big eruption. If she walk from right here, so go down the road, everybody should see she go tell them about eruption. But the first music video I think was Crazy. Yeah, a young artist by the name of Crazy, and then from that it was Equinox medley with TOK and, you know, a few other artists and things. You know, I think we're past 50, we're going on to 100, you know, based on the YouTube channel. And some of the most popular ones, in terms of views, you know, we have the Beanie Man, Let's Go to the Beach. You know, I think that surpassed almost 10 mil total. I Do Know one is very popular, with a couple of videos for Chris Martin, you know, doing well. Chill Spot got Video of the Year last year in Europe, you know, on the reggae charts, and a bunch of artists. I work with almost every artist in Jamaica already. The content of the song has a lot to do with it, you know what I mean? So we will get the project, and from there, you know, we have a production meeting, and from that meeting, you know, kind of just brainstorm and bounce ideas around based on the type of song, based on the type of look, you know, the budget, all of them things there. And then from there, you know, it's just a go. Big up to the team. The music business kind of at a low right now, you know what I mean? Given the whole, you know, music just not make money right now. You know what I mean? So of course we kind of feel it a little bit because not everybody have a certain amount of money to spend, and so kind of for just kind of hold back on our creativity because not for the time we can do more, but the budget is just not there for it.
So you're saying based on the budget, it kind of stifle your creativity?
Definitely. You know what I mean? So we have to hold back and then we have to improvise and you know them type of thing there.
What keeps you going? What motivates you?
My team, first of all, and the passion that they have for it. Every day them kind of push it. Sometimes, you know, we kind of hold back because we have to. You know what I mean? And them just say, yo, we can't hold back that. We need to at least do this or do that, even though we don't really make the right amount of money from it. But you know, so big up to them and keep motivated. We're creative because we're all coming from a background where we're artistic. You know what I mean? So persons on our team, them can paint, them can draw, you know, them can do 3D animation. They're into music, so they know how to edit properly. You know what I mean? The timing and everything just always on point and everything there. So that is definitely a plus. You know what I mean? So we're creative. Everybody from the team can edit. Everybody can direct. Projects coming up. We're doing a couple of videos for Beanie Man. You know, they're already confirmed, so we have that in the pipeline. We're on set of this Octane video now, a medley video. We have a Tifa project coming up, we have a Denny project coming up. Dream artists, who I would love to work with. I would say, you know, we listen to a lot of hip hop. You know what I mean? We listen to a lot of hip hop, so in tune to what's going on in the hip hop world. So that would definitely be a hip hop artist, and possibly I'd probably say Meek Mill. Octane medley video. Zine, are you chilling with the RD Studios crew? Big up to the team, Steezy Burge, Ruption, Crusher. Pree Dis, watch out for the video.
Now moving from RD Studio to Darkside Media. Darkside Media, big up shout out to the whole team. You know they have a party the last Friday of every month. It's called Cargill's, and it's on Cargill's Avenue. So here we link up with the party. So just in case you don't believe me, say the vibes banging. Shadow, talk to them. Yo, Pree Dis, show them what going on at Cargill's, man. See there? It's all brought to you by Rum Bar, white overproof rum.
Me want to sit down on the top of the edge. Me want to catch me and sit down on the people that's in the
when you gonna be a don't spend the time you have sex, your man a guitar boy. You have some girl that boring. You go to the girl where you don't see her no boring in the bedroom. Alright. Well, alright.
We don't want a friend from them, cause them heart is full up of jealousy. I did to what we used to share a glass of rum. Now you want to kill me for anything. But how me fit just I'm in a certain where you are to behind curtain. Enough of them say them are your friend. When you check it out, them is a different person. Them now want to see you dribble like burden. Them want you live your life in a burden. Oh, you have to say me and your friend. When you check it out, you is a different person. Because none of them want to see your head back shell out. See me and my little friend that sell out. None of us see the sergeant and lock them out. Can't come in and me quarters and extract them out. See clear them now with me.
Oh, the party is great and I'm enjoying myself. It's always a great place to enjoy yourself. It's my friend party, so I always have to come and support and pick up the bad influence girls, you know. Yeah, so it's always a nice place to go.
Trust me, definitely, Cargill is definitely the place to be. We do this every last Friday of every month. We basically try to do a different theme, and as you can see, it's excitement definitely that is going on right here. So you know, Rum Bar, which is the major sponsor ever, them have to ensure that the party is hyped up without a doubt. It's the bikers who are basically supporting the thing right here. We have every month we have bad influence girls take over different things, and of course the parking is conducive for anybody without a doubt. So every last Friday of every month, Cargill is definitely the place to be.
All right, it's that time of the week where we try to help you stay alive. It's all about the rum bar responsible drinking tip. And it's brought to you by who? My big friend, Terra 3000. Terra, talk to them now because we're going to help them people here. Stay alive, stay alive. Ha, 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 stay alive.
Big up yourself, Cruddy. It's now time for this week's responsible drinking tip, which is brought to you by Rum Bar Rum. Alcohol will magnify a person's mood. So if you're happy while you're drinking, chances are you'll stay that way. If you're depressed or angry, drinking will make these feelings worse. In extreme cases, this may cause people to lash out at others or harm themselves. Drinking is often used as a way to self-medicate bad feelings, which is absolutely wrong. If you're having these kind of feelings, don't suppress it by drinking. Seek professional help from a counselor or talk to a friend. Now that's it for the responsible drinking tip for this week. I am Terror 3000. Cruddy, take it away.
All the TVs that come out these days, them have a remote. Now, I am telling you, you see that remote? Don't touch it. Because we're going for our first commercial break. And when we get back, more entertainment, more lifestyle right here on Pree Dis. Big up the Rum Bar team, you know. Oh.